Oh, here's this.
Oh, there. And...
Under there, underwear.
Really?
Yes.
You want to say that on air?
It's fine. We've said worse than that.
Yeah.
Can you tell me if you see any cattle farm floats?
I will.
You know, you can flip over some pieces too.
I know,
Okay.
I know. Whatsoever. Yeah. Hey, this one looks like a little sand timer.
Oh yeah.
And
Oh, there's like an arm floaty, but there might be a multiple.
There's some
floaties.
dirty.
yes, this one goes here.
This one's dirty. It's like a dirty cloud or
work on
something.
you.
Look, the clouds are even cats.
Aww. We won't be able to tell until we put it all together. This looks like maybe might be part of it.
I think it's going to be adorable once I get out.
Oh, this one looks happy. Look at him, so happy.
Here's part of that dirty. There's part of that dirty.
See how it's a different tan?
Oh,
like
here,
it wouldn't
here,
be
here.
over here. It would be more over there.
Mm-hmm.
That doesn't fit there.
Here's part of that dirty. Here's part of. Oh, here's part of the cat mountain.
Ah, this looks like an evil mouth. Ah.
Part of that dirty is around the cat mountain too.
Yeah. We'll put. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's some
You
bubbles.
need more cat boat pieces.
I'm working on it.
There's another giant eye.
Oh, see if his ear will fit on that eye.
I need more stories.
Well, I asked you to talk about the.
Me.
Can figure out what piece that is, Katie.
The only
Sure.
good thing about the
Okay.
airport is the cookies.
Oh,
That might be.
she bought some Tate's cookies.
I don't.
I haven't tried them. Are they crispy?
Yeah, they're crispy.
They're a little bit diagonal.
Who did?
What?
I don't know how to build it.
It might not have all the pieces yet to build it, so it's okay.
Yeah.
I tried all the pieces together, but all of them will not fit.
Okay.
Just try the best you can. That's all you can do.
Isn't that the whole point?
But I'm just saying we might not have found enough. So the ear doesn't fit anywhere yet? Okay. Here's some top.
This looks like this.
What if you put these two together?
I tried that. Yeah. No go.
How do you even?
Rub back these two. Yeah, that was really off.
I don't really know how to build things.
It's
that
okay.
diagonal.
You can take a break.
Oh, look, it fit together.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
I found a grenade!
Oh, is this a cat eye?
Yeah.
Cat grenade.
Why don't I have a pupil?
You already have a pupil?
Yeah, well, you know who made this, right? The person who made Exploding Kittens.
Oh, look. Our kitty cat has 2 eye pupils. Look.
Ah.
Yeah, that's pretty good. And then 2 that are kind of in the middle. Tsunami, blah.
See where the cat grenade goes to, or the grenade.
He's right there. At the front.
At
The
the front.
wave.
Wait, it looks like.
Nice! Good job!
Wait, it looks like he's going to get that mountain. Wait, no, that does. Wait.
Wait. Octopus.
Maybe this is actually another tsunami that's coming.
It's a monster mountain. Cat monster. Oh,
Audio Jungle.
Silent L. Whatever your name is.
Here you go.
Number 1 and number 2.
This looks like part of the
Who's number 1?
Here's some floaty.
Thing 1 and thing 2.
What are we in? Are we in
I don't know what this part
Cat in
is.
the Hat and PBX Digs, or are we in
Yeah, what part this goes? That might be part of the canoe
Yeah.
boat.
Wait, no.
Thing
Yeah, give it to
so many
Olivia. Here's a floaty.
Thing 1 and
Give it to-
thing 2.
Yeah. Here.
I know exactly where it goes.
Yeah,
Oh, here.
I haven't even fixed any pieces of it.
Goody.
Except this.
That's okay. You got this.
Good.
Oh, Olivia.
I'm kind
There are
of glad
2
that
boats.
this is working out.
Oh, there's 2 boats?
2 canoes and
Yeah,
2...
2 canoes, 2 are floating.
Ah, it's got a paw!
Here.
Here's his angry paw!
Here.
over there with the sign?
Yeah, no, this cat, wait, no, it's missing an eye. This cat's missing an eye.
Well, an eye is going to be a lot harder to find than a floaty. Okay.
Alright, I'm going to put all these pieces in here.
Here's some.
Yeah, although I don't seem to get this quite together yet.
It's okay.
Where's
Got not enough room for all this. So.
body?
I think a lot of his body
Body-
is probably
wait,
in
piece.
that
Oh, wait.
pile right there.
This big eye.
Oh, there's an eyeball.
An eyeball.
Oh, there you go. Now do those two eyeballs go together? Looks like there's a nose in between them.
Seems like this goes here, huh?
No, turn his eyeball around the right way, like this.
There's a paw.
Try it that way. Nope, try it just like that.
This one seems like it has part of a cat ear.
Ooh, so he's upside down now. You've got him upside down. Oh no, he's the right way.
Where's
You're
the
right.
darker ones? Are the darker dirty? Yeah, they're darker next to him.
Yeah, next to him, yeah.
And in between the tentacles.
The ear won't fit.
That's okay.
It's an orangey tone. I think it goes over where.
Ah, got it.
These little pieces don't even fit.
It's okay. I haven't turned them all over yet. I'm slow. This is why it
Okay.
takes us forever.
Really?
Which
You got 10 pieces over there.
How many 10 pieces do you want? It's like the whole thing up here.
We need.
It's mostly the tsunami, just saying.
Just saying.
Just saying. What about all this over here? It's 10.
Yeah.
Give me the 10 pieces.
Alright.
Oh, these are big bubble
Okay,
pieces.
okay,
too.
that's gonna be a lot of pieces in the middle there.
Mhm.
Okay.
I don't know which one's which because they're so close.
Yeah,
Sure.
there.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
I'm like being
Here,
described.
here,
All
look.
those are gonna go next to Catagawa.
Oh look, here's his mouth. How does his mouth go on? There we go. Okay.
Pieces, and these are.
Oh look, what's that? Is that an arm? Ooh, does it?
Good. It's good.
Woo! Okay. So here's his other EAR.
That's a great bubble gritty piece.
Arm, yeah, there you go. Oh, try here. Let's see. Nope. Let's try some more arms.
I need to find some more squid.
Let's see.
Any one with some.
Look, this looks like arm to me. See if his arm will fit.
Yeah, these two go together.
Woo!
Yeah, these two go together. Yeah,
Nope.
see.
Good job. Let's see.
First time doing this and we're all pretty good.
Yeah.
All those years of practice paid off.
Yeah.
Well,
I haven't even turned all my pieces over.
Alright, we gotta look for something like this right here. Not that one.
Let's see.
Something like this one. Not like that
I hope they didn't take that sound.
There.
one. Yay. There's a.
Wait.
So we're looking for.
But,
Oh no! Looks like there's a top here.
no, it doesn't.
Get a picture.
So we need a piece of paw. We need one with a paw on it.
I've had some with paws on it over here.
Yeah.
There.
There's somewhere in here. Looks like a leash.
I can't. Like, it's really hard because the light's glaring on all the tan pieces, and I can't tell the difference between the colors of the tan pieces.
Womp womp.
Oh, I've got some full whites here.
That's part of the wave. Let's see if we can find.
Aw.
Tippy tops.
That's
here,
like
right
the
here.
bottom of the paw.
Right
Try
here,
it right
right here,
there.
right here, right here. I got that
Oh.
one.
Try it some more. It looks like it goes in there.